front of me is Samsung Galaxy M13 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to tap on advanced features over here, choose one-handed mode and click on this switcher to activate it. Now tap on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. I want to go with button, so I have to click on it to set it up and follow all of those instructions. Double tap the home button. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can always do that by clicking on this icon on the right or left corner. If you wish to, for example, move it to the top, you can do that by holding this line and dragging it. If you wish to go back, just click on the blurry area. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!